Top 5 Best Cookware for Gas Stove and Ceramic Sets. Number 5. Excellent heat distribution and can handle high temperatures, right? You also want durability, ease of cleaning, and of course, a budget that works for you. Well, we've got you covered. Our top picks include a range of materials, from stainless steel to cast iron and even ceramic non-stick options. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 4. You tired of using cookware that just doesn't perform well on your gas stove or ceramic cooktop? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we've rounded up the best cookware sets that are tailor-made for these specific stovetops, delivering top-notch performance and exceptional durability. First off, when choosing cookware for gas stoves and ceramic cooktops, there are a few things to keep in mind. You want something that offers excellent heat distribution and can handle high temperatures, right? Check latest price or visit the description link. Number 3. Whipping up quick weeknight dinners. The right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware sets that real home chefs love, from premium stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. These top-rated cookware sets help you cook with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, cook healthier meals at home, save money by skipping takeout, and make your kitchen feel brand new. Whether you're emmering hearty stews, searing the perfect steak, or whipping up quick weeknight dinners, the right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. This small but mighty chopper is perfect for quick jobs, camping, or small kitchens. Many models are hand-pull or mini-electric style, so you don't need a plug. Just pull or push, and you're done. Great for chopping garlic, chili, or herbs without dirtying your big tools. It's compact, easy to clean, and super handy on the go. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. Check latest price. Visit the description link.